Why it is very important to learn how to sell through webinars if you are thinking about launching your digital course to become a digital coach. Hi guys, my name is Purushottam Hamberde and this is a fourth checkpoint in my Coach Easily roadmap. And that's included in my workshop. It is a live workshop. And most probably you're watching this video inside our Telegram group after booking the ticket for the workshop. And if you have not yet booked the ticket, then what are you doing? Click the link from the description and book the ticket. So now let me explain you why it is very important. Here is the biggest reason which I think when it comes to selling through webinars. First, before that, you need a lot of confidence in your own digital course even before going on in front of any webinar platform. And you get only when you have proper guidance with your micro niche, with your video making skill, how natural you are in front of camera, and then you have proper course structure and it is ready, and then you will be more confident there. But not only this course and everything is important, also you need that understanding of template of the webinars, like how you're gonna start, what are those topics you're gonna cover, how you will make people prepare to be there till the end of the workshop, like how is the intro, where will the content and there are templates and thoughts which are very important, how you're gonna engage the audience. There are multiple things involved before you start doing the webinars. That's why it is very important to learn if you want to sell through webinars. There are a lot of people who do webinars and get very less sale. Nothing wrong in that, because this is a journey where you have to start doing it from zero results. And step by step, you will start getting results. In my case, when I did my first ever webinar in my life, I think 1.5 years back, there were total 6 people and 5 were my friends. And only one person was the stranger who came to watch my webinar. And I struggled to keep him there active more than like 20-30 minutes. Then he left and then all 5 friends were there. Then I started talking with them, right? So everyone will face this time and journey where no one will be there. But that doesn't mean you have to directly go and just be random. No. You have to learn a strategy, a template, and also the structure of the webinar. Because webinar is not about just talking, it's about covering all the content and the value in the given time. Let's say you're doing a 90-minute webinar, your everything should be covered in that 90 minutes itself. And why we are doing webinars? Not just to give knowledge, obviously we want to give knowledge, but also you have a purpose to earn money for yourself. Because you want to grow in your life, you want to reach more people. If you want to reach more people, you need to earn more money, right? And that's why it's not about only talking, it's about convincing people to join you, to join your program, to join your products. And now you tell me, guys, if you don't have a structure, if you don't have a templates, if you don't have a selling strategies, if you don't have a closing strategies, how you're gonna do this? That's what I said. These are the reasons you have to learn how to sell through webinars, how to conduct the webinars. Not the technical part, because you will learn the technical part in just 5 to 10 minutes by just going through that on platform, whatever the platform you're going to use, maybe Demio, maybe Zoom, maybe Google Meet, whatever you're using. It's very easy to learn technical part nowadays. But the challenge is about conducting the proper session. Okay, it's not a course like tuitions, right? They just speak and done. No, in this case, you are investing money to bring people, and if you don't perform properly with the structure, then you're gonna lose a lot of money. Am I right? That's why be there in a workshop, because at the last end hour, means 4th hour of the workshop, is completely focused on how can I help you to learn the 2 different formats of conducting webinars. Are you excited? Yes. Then please be there live in the workshop in an upcoming Sunday, because I conduct this webinar every Sunday, maybe in the evening, maybe in the morning. And also I have a second webinar in a week, but mostly it gets full very fast. That's why I always recommend you to join Sunday webinar. Okay, that's why it is live. That's why very less limited seats are there. Go ahead, book the ticket right now if you're not yet booked. And even if you're thinking, no, Purushottam, I don't want to book the ticket for the workshop, then do something for free, which is subscribe to the channel, where you will get at least this kind of value. Maybe in the future you can join, but please, I recommend you to join, as 2021 already started. And if you're still waiting, then what are you doing? If you keep waiting, things will start getting more and more difficult. So go ahead, take action right now. Join the workshop, book the ticket. If you don't have more clarity what is it the workshop is all about, there is a link. If you click on that, on a next page, you will get all the details about the workshop, every small details, and then you can make a decision to become part of it. Okay, is it cool? Fine, take it easy. One more thing, you can watch my other videos on this side or this side. Maybe I have given a lot of videos on YouTube. I'm focusing on that as well, so that I can help you for free too. But I need committed people to learn more, because I want to put my live active time. That's why I charge people, even if it is very small amount. And right now I'm charging very less amount, like less than a movie ticket. But at least that gives that seriousness. So that money you're gonna pay, 99 rupees or 199, 399, whatever the money I'm charging for the workshop, is not just about money. It's about your seriousness ticket. It's a ticket of your seriousness. That's it. Because I don't think people will be there for 4 hours if they don't even invest. Even I don't want that kind of people who are not committed. That's the only reason I have kept some charges there, because I value my time, I value my knowledge, right? As an entrepreneur. So go ahead, and I will see you live in my workshop if you book the ticket. And if not, then I will see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye.